Yo, what's crackalacking, y'all? Crypto Kings back to give you guys an update on the crypto market. What's happening, guys? Happy fucking Thursday, I believe it is. Yes, it's Thursday still. Technically, some places in the earth, not all places, but whatever. It's Thursday's video, so fuck it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. Let's get right to it. What do I see in the fucking charts? DXY, guys, look like it's just been blasting. Looks like it still wants to continue some more. Honestly, I have a target for it and it hasn't reached a target yet. So since it hasn't reached a target, I'm expecting to go up more. Since I'm expecting to go up more, I'm expecting Bitcoin and crypto to go down more. Okay, now we had a little pump today, so I got everyone all riled up. Like, went up to 21K or something, but now it's on its way back down. And what do I think? I think there's a little bit more downside before there's a pump, but again, it all depends. If the DXY decides to fucking break downwards tomorrow or something, then maybe we just go down a little bit, then we pump up. Like I said, I've been calling, a pump for fucking weeks now, months now, and still calling it, guys. I'm still fucking calling it. So hasn't fully happened yet. I'm not seeing a 21K. That's not a pump. I told you 25, 26K is what I'm expecting. Possibly even 31K is what I'm expecting. That would be a nice little pump, okay? A little reversal bounce, not reversal actually, just a little dead cat bounce, honestly. But it'd be a nice dead cat bounce, before more downside. But that's what I'm calling. We still got to wait to see for it, but it hasn't happened yet. But anyways, let's get to the chart, show you guys what I'm talking about, all right? Let's get to this bitch. Look at this DXY, guys. DXY is at 107. I'm gonna show you guys something. Look at this. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is the 1 year. This is the 1 year chart. This is one constant climb. And the 5 year chart, guys. So, kind of just catapulting up right now. And then the all-time chart. Look at this shit. Look at this. In 1985, guys, around February 1985, DXY hit these crazy numbers over here. About 160 or something like that. See, you saw it for a second. You can't fucking stop it. Kind of crazy, guys. Like fucking over 30 some years ago, for 30, 40 years or some shit like that. It's kind of nuts. Could it be on its way up there that way right now? It's possible. It's possible if the economy crash is really that bad. But I don't know. Like I said, inflation and throughout the years, the money, the U.S. dollar is always going to get less and less and less. So as you see, 1985 it did that. Then right here around 2001, it hit this peak over here about 120. That was the highest peak. 117, 120. I'd say. Maybe 2001 right there would be the highest peak. So hey, could we be heading there? Towards that again? It's possible. Or could we be reaching the peak soon? I think us reaching the peak soon is also possible because I don't know if it's gonna get to 120. My price target is 114. That's what I still got right now. Because throughout history, the U.S. is always gonna go down. It's never gonna go up. It's always gonna go down. It's just how it is. Like just think about how much the U.S. dollar is worth. Like 100 years ago. Okay, you can buy fucking goddamn a whole meal for $1 for the whole family, and you can't do that shit anymore. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how it is. Dollar's always gonna go down. So. But again, my target now is 108. It hasn't before it breaks down a little bit. Hasn't reached there yet. That's why I'm expecting more downside, more upside for DXY possibly. But there is one thing right here. See this long little wick over here? That's usually a long sell wick. So sometimes when you see that long wick, it likes to shoot down. But then we got this little other wick down here too. It's almost like cancels each other out. So it's not jump for joy yet. Like I said, I'm still expecting to go to 1.8 before it comes back down and corrects itself like it did over here. Bank, and then it's gonna go bank. Okay, that's what I'm seeing, guys. So if it goes up a little more, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go down a little more. But then once it hits this and goes down, let's say it goes down all the way down to here, 103 or 100 or 1, you can expect Bitcoin to go all the way up to possibly 24, 25, 26. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So it's possible this goes to this, hits that, comes down, Bitcoin goes down a little bit more, back down to 17 or 19, and comes back up. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, pay attention. That's what I'm seeing. All right, S&P. Look at this chart, guys. Look at that. That's the whole chart for S&P 500. The stock market, guys. The top 500 stocks in the stock market. Look how crazy extended that bitch is. Look how crazy that extended is. You know, it's so far high extended. And like it happened within the past few years too. Well, the past decade, 2008. Look, since 2008, the last recession, shit crashed, all right, and then went crazy high up. Guys, when something rises that high that fast, it's only going to drop that high that fast also, okay? And that's what I'm expecting for the stock market, guys, ultimately. Right now, there might be a little pump. Maybe a little pump. Might be a little pump, like I said, but ultimately, guys, look, I just see a lot more. It just rose too high too quickly. Look at that. Look at that. Way too fast in the past 2 years. Yeah, it's from fucking 2020 right here. COVID, bang, beginning of it, boom, rose so fast. It's gonna drop just as fast, guys. Either down at this point or possibly even lower, but that's what I'm guessing right now to this point. Okay, so S&P drops, Bitcoin will drop too, guys, because Bitcoin is not its own asset yet. I know a lot of these other moon boys are trying to tell you something else, but it's not true. Okay, S&P, stock market, and Bitcoin has not. They're still correlated. There's no. It's not separated from each other yet. You know, its own. It's yeah, it's just not separated. Anyways, let's get right to Bitcoin and show you guys what I see. Okay, so I found some interesting Bitcoin, guys, recently. Pay attention. See this blue line over here? They're doing this chart. They're doing this chart. Let me see. Oh, okay, then this chart. Gotcha. Never mind. Okay, so this purple line over here. See that? So purple line. It's another wedge. It's a wedge. I told you guys, wedge, triangle, same shit. They call it a wedge because it looks like a fucking wedge. See, it can fit right under your door. Stop it like a door stop. Okay, that's why it's called fucking wedge. But everything, you tell the whole story from the wedge, okay? When the shit's breaking up, it's going to usually create a wedge. Breaks down, usually creates a wedge. You find out where it is, and then like, you can almost determine where it's going to go next. So right now it broke above it. Bitcoin broke above it to 22K, got everyone's hopes back up. Looks like I got a long sell wick right here. It's going to come back down for sure. Now this is the thing. If it comes back down to 20K and test the top of this wedge, that's bullish. That's very bullish. Okay, you can, hold that support, bounce some more. However, it breaks below that wedge, guys, then that's bearish. Then it's going to go down even further. If it breaks below this wedge, let's say around 19K, then I'm expecting it to go, all the way down past breaking below this other wedge too. And I'm expecting it, like I said, once it breaks below this wedge, 19K, 19.5K right here. This is around 18, 19K. Once it broke this little hump right here, yeah, for sure I'm expecting to go down to this next step, 17.5, 17.5, 7.6, which is the last bottom right here. I told you guys for weeks I'm expecting a double bottom to possibly final reversal, okay? Now if it breaks 17.5, guys, then fuck the double bottom. Then this means we're just going straight down. Like, we're not going to do the bounce, at least not that high. Not what I expect. And we go down below 17.5, guys, probably going to go down 16, 15, come back up to like 19 right here, and then fucking shoot back down. Next stop will be 13K. Okay, 13.5K. Oh, I don't have this chart. It'll be right over here. Oh, that's the right one, yep. 13.5K. Okay, so this is over here. This is 17. This is where I'm taking the double bottom. If it breaks below this, the 17.5, the double bottom will cancel out. That's the next stop, 13.5 right there. Okay, and I'm still expecting to go down there. It's just I was expecting a bounce before it gets on there, but let's see. Let's see what happens. Anyways, guys, Ethereum back to 1200. Cardano back to 46. Just kind of basically chilling. Ethereum can drop even lower. I'm telling you guys right now, can drop even lower. Bitcoin just drops back to 17, then Ethereum's gonna drop even lower. But hey, if it pumps, then shit. Bitcoin, Ethereum will pump. They're all pump. But Bitcoin has to pump first, okay? So just remember that shit, okay? Anyways, guys, that's fucking it. I'm fucking tired. I told you I had a long day of work, all this shit. I still came out to make you guys a video. And get being free for YouTube over nobody out here. So just fucking, you guys can do me a favor. Like I said, just give me a like. Click that like button. Click. Reshare, retweet this shit on Twitter, man. Tell your fucking grandma, whatever the fuck, who cares? Maybe not your grandma. She's not going to like my cussing too much. But, your homies, whatever. And, whatever. Yeah, you guys new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Put your notification on. I'm going to give you updates on Bitcoin, crypto, and the whole fucking market every single day this year, 365 days throughout the year. Can't stop, won't stop. Haven't stopped yet, won't stop now. All right? So, guys, all I got to you guys. Till next time, Crypto Kings out. Peace.